not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Steps Life and Spices. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you this vegetable soup recipe pro max that if you use but first, let me get into this with a story. So growing up, I didn't like anything that, in fact, anything that has to do with vegetable counts me out. But growing up, I'm like, now you already know how healthy incorporating vegetable is in your lifestyle, especially your eating habits. So I'm going to be showing you a recipe for people that are like me. But then, whether you like vegetable or you don't like vegetable, this recipe is one you're going to love. If you really, really want to up your vegetable soup recipe, then this is a video for you to watch. So yes, let's get into it. For the recipe, we're going to be using
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, so the most important thing you need to know while cooking your vegetable soup is you don't make vegetable soup with water. Yes, in as much as you have your goat meat stock, what you do is you just keep it aside. Because remember, this soup it depends on the number of your family members. So when you're cooking it, it means that you may use more water leaf than I have used in this video. And in that case, water leaf brings out so much water. So if you put water in your vegetable soup and then before you put the water leaf, you're not going to like the soup because it's just going to turn to water vegetable soup. So whatever you're doing while you're cooking vegetable soup, don't put water. Don't even add your meat broth. Just chill. Once you've added your water leaf and the water leaf has brought out water, then if the water is not enough for you, then you can add just a little bit water because you might even go and add big and then the water leaf just keeps bringing out water. So these are the things you need to be careful about. So yeah, that's it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that's it for this recipe video. I do hope that you loved the recipe, and I hope that when you try out this recipe eventually, you're going to tag me or just like comment and tell me how it was for you, because I would really, really, really love to hear from you how the recipe was. So, guys, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.